Hi friends, so today we're going to look at some letters that we have been working on in class. We've been working on the letter M, we've been working on the letter A, and we've been working on the letter T. So today I want to talk about how we can use some sounds that we've learned and put those sounds together, blend them together, and make a new word. So I'm just going to, let's make our word down here. I'm going to start with our T. And then I'm going to put A. A is a vowel. That's why I have it as a red letter. And then let's do our other sound that we've been working on, M. Now, there are three letters. I hear the T sound. I hear the sound. And I hear the sound. So let's blend our sounds together. We're going to start here. We're going to say our sounds and blend them together and see if we can come up with a word. Am, tam. Almost would be like a nickname, maybe for Tammy or something. Tam. Good. When we talk about our word tam, you know how I've been talking about chunky monkey and how you can find chunks of words, littler words inside of a bigger word? I'm looking at this word right now and I see a chunk in this word that I know. Do you see it? Good job. I see it too. I see the word am. Very nice. So we learned the word am, but now if we look for a chunk in there, we see that word am inside of the word tam. Very nice job. Now what if I mix all my letters up again? Let's make a new word that has a beginning. So let's put an M right here. And a middle sound is my vowel, so that's why it's red. And then let's put our ending sound. So M is one sound, and then we have that middle sound, ah, and then we have t. Now let's start here and then go this way and blend our sounds. At, mat. Good job. You made the word mat. Now, chunky monkey again. Here's my chunky monkey. Let's see. I think I see a chunk in this word too. I see a smaller word inside the word mat. Do you see it? At. The word at is inside the word mat. Very nice job blending words today, friends.